Hey, Chef Ed.
What's up, YouTube? We are back! Back with another video, baby!
Guys, we always have bangers for you, right?
We got another New York banger.
New York.
I'm from New York.
Oh, we needed fitteds. We should have wore our fitteds.
Sorry. But anyways, what are we cooking today? Let's jump right into this New York bang bang chitty bang bang banger.
Guys,
Wanna tell them?
Yeah.
Hurry up, tell them what the hell we cooking.
Guys, we're making some New York bacon, egg, and cheese.
That's not how you say it. That is not the New York way. Bacon and cheese. That's it. Bacon, egg, and cheese. One word.
What did I say?
Bacon, egg, and cheese. Not three. It is one word. If you're from New York, it's
bacon, egg, and cheese.
There you go. Yo, let me get a bacon, egg, and cheese. What you want on there? Salt, pepper, ketchup. That's it. That's it. If you're from New York, you know what I'm talking about. Today we are making it bacon, egg, and cheese.
With salt, pepper, ketchup.
With salt, pepper, ketchup. That's it, guys. And when we come back, it's about to go down.
Chef, guys, your favorite chef is back, right? With all the ingredients that you're gonna need to make some bacon, egg, and cheese.
Bacon, egg, and cheese.
New York style.
Yucky.
With salt, pepper, ketchup.
Hurry up.
Guys.
Hurry up.
First, hurry up.
Let me get a hot chocolate with that too.
You gonna be bubbling.
I want a hot chocolate. Let me get a hot chocolate.
I got you. All right. First things first. You need yourself a hero roll, a round roll, some soft. You see that?
You don't need both.
You don't need both. So, but you need one or the other really soft deli rolls, right? You're gonna need some eggs. We got about 7 eggs in here for all this bread. You're gonna need some cheese, deli sliced American cheese, sliced in because that's how we like it. And we got some bacon. How that bacon look good? You're gonna need some butter, right? To toast your bread and cook this stuff, of course. And we got our ingredients, guys. We got salt, pepper, ketchup.
Salt, pepper, ketchup.
That's all you need, guys.
All right, guys, so we're back with the next step. 10 minutes, your bacon, egg, and cheese gonna be ready. First thing we did was we put a little butter in our pan. You know, up in the store, Hobby and they had a grill. They put a little oil, a little butter on the grill, and they throw the bacon in. At home, throw a little butter in your frying pan and put your bacon to cook. Come close. Come take a look at this. See that bacon cooking? That swan is divine. So we're going to cook these bacon. We're going to cook all this bacon, put it on the side. And I'm going to show you the next step.
Hey, favorite guys and ladies and kitties. Guys,
Gentlemen.
I said guys.
And customers.
And the favorite customer that's in the back there yelling that he wants his bacon, egg, and cheese.
Hurry up with my bacon, egg, and cheese.
Guys, I'm putting some butter on my hot pan, all right? We're about to make these scrambled eggs.
These huevos.
These huevos.
Not huevos. Not huevos. Huevos.
We're making that.
Oh, excuse me.
Oh no, baby, what is you doing?
Can you get like a plastic spoon or wooden spoon?
I know, I'm gonna scratch my pan.
You over there doing nonsense.
I know. Look, guys, nice and hot, right? We're gonna put some of our eggs in this pan and we're gonna cook it for a little bit. Oh my God, look, that's so satisfying. See that?
We see it.
Banging. You know what? Give me my spatula, cause guys, we're gonna cook this for a little bit. This thing is cooking so banging. Y'all see that? Y'all see how your eggs supposed to look? You know what? Let me put a little bit of salt. We got salt and we have our pepper.
Salt, pepper, ketchup. Hurry up.
And they don't be measuring this, so we're gonna take a little sprinkle.
Yeah, hurry up, man. Hurry up.
I'm not impatient, bro.
Man, I got things to do.
All right.
I gotta go make this paper. Hurry up. I'm hungry.
You gotta catch the A train?
I gotta go to work. Nah, man. I gotta take this J train today.
J train?
Yeah, I'm going Chinatown.
Guys, see that?
Hurry up, Aki. Woo!
See that?
You got Ak showing off in the kitchen. Hurry up. You lucky you ain't drop my B.
Bro.
B, you lucky you ain't drop it. What you doing over there,
You putting some that Deli American cheese.
Oh, we can't see.
Come closer.
You wash your hand?
Of course.
Okay, hurry up. Hurry up, Ak, man. I gotta go.
Cheese. Yo,
train coming.
I hear the train.
I hear it too, Ak. Hurry up. Ooh, yeah.
Boom.
Make my cheesy, Ak.
Right? And we gonna fold it, guys. We just gonna boom. Boom.
Ooh, that look. Ooh.
Boom, guys. That's it. We're gonna let that sit in there for a little bit and melt, and then I'm gonna show you the next step.
You put my pepper in there?
I did.
All right.
Look, I got you.
My bad.
Chefs and chefies. Let me show you what we doing now. So the eggs are done, the bacon is done. Now we gotta get your bread done, B. So what we're gonna do now is toast our bread a little. You're gonna take your butter. Butter your bread. We're gonna butter this bread real quick. We got the grill heating up. You know what I mean? You gotta toast your bread. That's how we do it New York style, B.
New York. Say you don't like my singing, son.
I'm not gonna say it.
Good.
I'm gonna sing it. I'm not gonna say it. I won't. So put a little butter on that bread, B. Yeah, buddy. Yo, this is gonna be the best bacon, egg, and cheese you've ever had. And I want a tip too.
You want a tip?
I want a tip.
No, nobody from the bodega says they want a tip. Nobody.
I want a tip. See that? Take the bread, now you're gonna take the buttered bread, put it on the grill. Come close. I need you to come real close. You hear that? Press it down a little bit, get that bread nice and toasted on that hot grill. Ooh! Bacon, egg, and cheese, salt, pepper, ketchup. Yo, you keep laughing in my scene, B.
Don't burn
Guys,
it.
you're gonna put this on here for about 2-3 minutes. You're gonna toast the bread and we're gonna put it all together. So stay tuned.
We back, guys, and we about to put this bacon, egg, and cheese with salt, pepper, ketchup together. All right? You watching?
We watching. Hurry the hell up.
Don't rush me.
Shucks, man.
Don't rush me, because perfection takes time. Go play with Whiskers.
Whiskers, man. Your cat done left.
First of all, the cat always comes back, all right? Y'all know the bodega cat, the bodega always got a cat. Whiskers is always gonna come back.
I seen that cat chasing another cat.
He gonna come back.
Alright.
Don't be talking about my whiskers.
Hurry up with my sandwich.
Don't be talking about my whiskers. Y'all see that?
Yeah,
egg. A little bit more salt, right? Because this is my man over here, like.
Yeah, oh, man. Yo, you slow. Little pepper.
Ooh, we got the bacon.
Yeah, buddy.
You want extra bacon, my man?
I want extra bacon. I ain't paying for that.
I got you.
Thank you. I'm not paying for that.
I got you extra bacon for my man here.
Yeah,
for
buddy.
the boss. Boss, I got you, boss.
All right, hurry up.
Boss, settle down, boss.
Ooh.
I got you, boss. Got some ketchup.
Yeah,
right?
You put that pepper on there.
I put it.
I ain't see you put pepper.
You want more? You want more?
Yeah, a little more pepper.
All right, boss. All right.
Man, hurry up, man. I want discount because you took mad long, B.
Nah, no discount. No family discount.
Yeah, don't forget my ketchup.
Got you.
Yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh
Got
yeah.
you. That's
yeah.
it, guys. That's it. Hey, guys, we are back with the finished product.
That was my line.
My bad. Well,
guys.
Look what we got.
Make this bacon, egg, and cheese.
This is yours because you just licked your finger and all that stuff in.
Oh man, guys, make this bacon, egg, and cheese. It is banging.
Y'all see all those layers though? Banging.
That's it, guys. And we are out.